Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create the trending mini figure effects that's blowing up on social media using Gemini. So if you want to turn your photos into 3D miniatures using Gemini, just watch this video. First, what you need to do is just open Gemini on your browser and on PC or mobile. And then here you can just use this prompt. Here's the prompt. You can copy my prompt in here to create the 3D figure. Use the nano banana model to create a 1/7 scale figures. If you have more than one characters in the photo, you can cover it by using this one, all the characters in the illustrations, and place it on the computer desk using R-click paste without any text. And there's also on a computer screen display the ZBrush modeling process of the figure. You can also change it with Blender or maybe a Photoshop or anything. And next to the computer screen, place a Bandai style toy packaging box printed with the original artwork. Now just upload the photo, so click on this plus button. You can choose to edit from drive or upload the files. Here I'm going to upload it. Click on the photo and tap on open. Just wait until the photo is uploaded. And after that, you can just hit on this button to submit the prompt and just wait until the Gemini generate your 3D mini figure image. Okay, so here is the result. As you guys can see, the person is based on the prompt. The object is placed on the computer desk, and there's also this computer screen and also the toy box of the figure. And if you're satisfied with the result, if you want to download it, you can just tap on this drop down in here to download the image. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll enjoy this video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.